So with the talk of a third booster shot for COVID here in the U.S., we thought we'd look first at the vaccination statuses here in Pennsylvania. And this is looking at vaccinations by age group. So what we have here is all the different ages from young to old on the bottom. And then blue is people that are fully vaccinated, the percent fully vaccinated. Orange is the first booster shot. Green is the second booster shot so far. So what we have, we're going to start with kids since it's back to school time. All the way over here on the left, you see from 0 to 4. So kids under 5, it's only 2% of kids under 5 in Pennsylvania who have the COVID vaccine. Very few parents getting their young kids vaccinated. Age 5 to 9, it's about 28%. So definitely a smaller amount there too. 10 to 14, it's 40%. It does go up then above 50% once you get to teenagers. People in their 80s, it's up near 90+% of people that are fully vaccinated for COVID. Then though you look at that first booster in orange and you can see as it goes up, quite a few less people percentage-wise are getting that first booster. And when you go to the second booster in green, it is a much smaller percent. In fact, hardly anybody under age 50 has this second booster. So let's talk about COVID itself now here in Pennsylvania. We move things ahead. This tracks the trend in new cases across the state. And you can see this was that big spike we saw last winter. It has stayed relatively at the same level for months now. We're trending down just a little bit, but since this doesn't include the at-home test results, we know there's a lot more COVID that's out there. So we keep looking at the severity of COVID. And in the past, we saw those big spikes of hospitalizations when there was more COVID out there. Now we've just been holding steady with those hospitalization numbers. And we also know that in the hospital, not everyone's there because of COVID. Some people are there for other reasons and have COVID itself. Same thing with death numbers. We didn't get all the data this week from the death numbers related to COVID, but it's holding steady too. So the severity is just not there that we saw in the past. We'll keep tracking it for you from the digital studio. Jon Meyer, Newswatch 16.